my name is Dagny. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about gift wrapping. And so I'm getting all of my gifts ready to go. However, I don't want to use single-use papers. These are some of my alternatives that are fun and fresh in ways that you can use things you already have around the house in order to wrap and give a beautiful present. Here are my 5 ways that I was able to wrap my presents this holiday season without using wrapping paper. The first and perhaps easiest way to package a gift is to reuse a nice shopping bag. I'm using this one from ABC Carpet that says, "In Pursuit of Magic." It's the perfect size, but I don't want the ABC Carpet and Home logo on the bottom and the side, so I'm debating taking a dark marker like a Sharpie, or just using a piece of paper or some nice stiff cardboard like I have here from a package and covering up the logo. The next method of wrapping I have is the Japanese art of wrapping a present using a cloth. This is called furoshiki, excuse my Japanese pronunciation, and it's a great way to reuse and recycle a beautiful cloth. This was actually given to me to wrap a gift that I received a few years ago. It's now getting a second life and off to a new home. The next method I have is to reuse jewelry pouches. I bought a couple of pieces of jewelry from Anthropologie that came in these little pouches, and now they're the perfect size to wrap the gift that I have inside of them. I will probably cover up the Anthropologie with the shiny paper just like I'm going to cover up the ABC Carpet. Larger cloth pouches from store purchases are also great to reuse. This one's from Urban Outfitters, although it's a little see-through, so I'll probably put it into another reusable bag. The last method of wrapping is to actually use a real bag. I was given this beautiful bag as a gift, however I have not used it as much as I would like to. I think it will get much more use going to its new home, and it's doubling up as the gift wrapping for the item inside. I hope you enjoyed the 5 ways that I'm wrapping my presents this year, and that you'll think of some creative new ways to wrap all of your beautiful gifts this holiday season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.